Hi, this is Chris, and welcome to Winemaker TV. Has your brew ever got infected? If so, stay tuned. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new wine and a new video. So about a month ago, I made a ale type mead, which was a weaker mead that had a citra hops in it. And guess what? It got infected. How do I know? Because it's got fuzzies growing on it. So this is to let you know that your brews get infected. It does happen. That's why I like the 1 gallon batches. I'm out maybe at most $8–10. That was a 5 gallon batch of a Cabernet. I would have been out $100. So that's why I like the smaller batches, especially when you're new, because they do happen. How did mine happen? I'll have a picture right here. So how did mine happen is I've been busy, been working a lot, and I needed to rack it to a secondary because I had it in a 2.5 gallon bucket. If you want to video, there'd be a card coming down. So I had it in a 2.5 gallon bucket. Okay, had the brew in it, had the hops. That need to be transferred into a carboy, 1 gallon carboy, so I can get an airlock on it. Well, I've been working a lot, got really busy. All my carboys are full, didn't get a chance to bottle them, and the hops were at the top, and the part that was exposed to the air had mold growing on them. So like I said, there'll be a picture if I can get it. If I can get the picture, you'll see there's a film. That's just your normal like yeast floats, so don't worry about that part. The fuzzy parts that are on top of the yeast, that's what you worry about. It could be saved, but it's a 1 gallon batch. Toss it, okay? Now, if it was 5 gallon batches, I might roll with it, rack it, taste it in a month, see if it had a funky taste. But, you know, the alcohol will kill any nasties that were in it, but it might give it a weird flavor. So it might not be pleasing to the palate, but it won't necessarily make you sick because the alcohol will kill any yeasties, any bacteria if it's at a high enough concentration of alcohol per volume. So to prevent that, there's 2 things that could have caused that, but I know what mine is because I sanitize my equipment. If you fail to sanitize your equipment and the yeasties and the buggies and all the mold and all that's already in there, that could affect it. Or you don't rack it and you don't take your proper steps and proper precautions, get that into a fermenter, which what happened to me. And it's basically simple the fact that I got busy and I forgot. So try to make yourself a note. I'm going to try this again with the hop and the weaker meads with a hop in it. So I'm going to try that again and we'll see how that goes. If you like what you see here and you want to help support my channel, there are Amazon affiliate links in the description below. If you click on any of those links, even if you do not buy what is in the link, there will be a cookie installed on your computer, and that will, if you buy anything, I will get commission that will go towards me to help me buy equipment and ingredients. This is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is.